my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm making a special drink for my 2 granddaughters. They're on their way. I'm using my style setup 1.5 Humbury octagonal beverage dispenser for the first time. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I must say thank you to my subscribers right here, to my returning subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for always coming back. Without you, there'd be no new subscribers. To my brand new subscribers, God bless you and you are welcome. My viewers, you're out there, you're watching. If you haven't subscribed this yet, please subscribe. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Guess what? Subscription is free. God bless you. To my YouTube family, all of my subscribers, my viewers, to my family and friends, guess what I am doing today? I'm still doing it, still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Hold it! Cheers to Scratchin' Pete! Let's go over there and be a blessing to him today. He's on the road to 1,000. Stop by his channel today and subscribe. Support my friend Scratchin' Pete. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Please select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.